Alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
All right, everybody, let's get you ready for this mess of a morning commute that I'm thinking is going to be filled with rain here, lightning strikes, and also the potential for some stronger to severe storms. That's still in the mix, although I have to say, just watching the line diminishing in intensity, looking a little bit better for us. Between now and 4 a.m., nothing's going on. This has slowed down, so we have now pushed everything from 4 to 8. So in the middle of the commute, that's when we have the heaviest rain and the potential for the strongest storms and perhaps even a few isolated cells and mainly damaging wind, not talking about tornadoes here. And then another round of storms is possible between 1 and 6 for tomorrow if the atmosphere is able to recharge and we break out into some sunshine. I think that's still a question. Some models picking that up and some going, just out to lunch with it. I mean, it's been that kind of day where we get these high resolution model runs that come in, and each of them has decided to do something different. So this is what we're talking about. Let's get ready for some heavy rain, potential strong storms in the morning, and then we'll watch things closely with Lissette and KC tomorrow to see how the afternoon will fare. This is the line here, still, 4 hours away, so this was supposed to come in sooner. It's not. And then we have this cluster of thunderstorms. This is hooking up with the tail end of the line. I think this is just going to become one big line that pushes east, and that's going to be the case through tonight and into tomorrow. Still the potential for some individual cells. I always worry about those that can race out ahead of the main line because those have the potential to produce severe weather. And we'll watch that for tonight. But there's the rain tracker really not doing great because it's not showing where the rain is right now. And then our other model is showing where the rain is right now, but then has nothing for the morning, which I don't think is correct. So there is what I'm thinking for tomorrow morning between 4 and 8. That's the cluster of very heavy rainfall that we're going to have to traverse through tomorrow. To get from A to B is going to be slow go. And then look at that, nothing depicted here with this particular run in the afternoon. I think that's also incorrect. I'll switch over to our other in-house model, which I think is overdone, but at least it's closer to reality because I do think we'll be able to pop some storms. Watch the clock there anytime after 12 o'clock. So complicated forecast here with a lot of moving parts literally in the atmosphere coming together. So damaging wind potential, hail, the flood threat is going to be there. It's not huge because we haven't rained a lot, and then the tornadic threat is low, so nothing yet to worry too much about that. As far as rain chances, obviously tomorrow it's just a matter of how heavy the rain is and how strong the storms are going to be. So the next alert is for both the morning hour and also the afternoon as we open up another window here of potentially strong to even isolated severe storms. Then things really turn around for us. Much quieter weather, hotter weather heading into the upcoming weekend before a cold front brings down temperatures for next week.